In this video, you can learn how to add a subdomain in HighLevel from Cloudflare, or really a subdomain in Cloudflare from HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, and in this particular video, I'm going to answer this question by answering the following 3 questions for you. Number 1, how to add a subdomain in HighLevel. Number 2, how to add the CNAME record to your Cloudflare account. And number 3, how to configure your subdomain for use. So I'm going to hop out of here and into one of my sub accounts. And in this particular case, I'm already in my agency account for Vegas Tech Group, and I'm under domains. And you can see I have several subdomains here with different initials. And what I can do in order to create any one of these is I can click on Add. We can create a brand new one. And we can call it test.vegastechgroup.com. And then we can click on this Add Record manually. And then we're getting this one CNAME record here with the host name test. Required value is now this site's ludicrous.cloud. So we'll just copy that. Then we'll go over to our Cloudflare account. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create this CNAME record for this particular domain under DNS records. And we're going to click on Add Record. And then we're going to switch the type here from A to CNAME. And then the name we're going to use here, it says use @ for root, but we already determined our subdomain is going to be called test. So we'll put test there. Our target's going to be what we copied, which is sites.ludicrous.cloud. We're going to turn off the proxy status. And we're going to change time to live here from auto to 1 minute so it will propagate very quickly. Then we're going to click save. And then as soon as it's saved, we might have to wait about a minute or less, depending. We can try clicking verify records now and see if it already finds it. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, we'll just try it again. So we're going to click that. And as it's verifying, it's pinging it to see if it is out there, if it exists, if it's set up correctly, etc. It should find it here in a couple more seconds. If not, we'll give it another shot. All right, it found it. So yay, domain test.vegastechgroup added successfully. Now, in order to configure it for use, we can link it to a domain if we want to with a funnel. So we can link it to any of these funnels, or we could set up a brand new one. I'm going to link it to test for now, and then the default funnel step here is home, and we'll just click link domain. So now that it's linked to this funnel test, we do need to go over to test our actual funnel name. So we got to go over to sites. We come over here to our website. This is our test website. So we'll open up test website. Right here we have nothing really built in there, but you have to go into settings in order to make sure that you're going to use this correctly. It is already assigned here. If it wasn't, we would have to click remove from here. Now let me show you something else. Let me remove it. Let me save it, and then let me go back to domains. So we'll go back down to settings. And if we go into domains, we go into this test.vegastechgroup.com, click on edit, you can see it has no default page because we removed it, right? Just like that, we removed it. So now it's not configured at all here in domains. If we go back now to our sites, and we go to settings, and we select our domain again, Vegas test.vegastechgroup, and we save this. If you find that your site is still not working after you've gone into settings and added it there, it's because you need to go back into settings, domains, and then make sure you click these 3 dots for edit this subdomain. And you can see it didn't update it over here, right? So you might have added it to your website or sales funnel without adding it here in domains, and it won't work. So the way to fix that is just add it here. So we'll add test home. We don't need to worry about setting the default 404 error page, and click save. And now that will work. All right, so I appreciate each and every one of you watching this video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer them for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or high-level insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link, or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.